Hi friends, I am Mayank Goswami. I am from Delhi and I am a photographer and I have been working as a professional photographer since like last 7 years. So in this video I'll be answering few questions which were sent to me by Kostuba for you guys, those who really want to pursue this field. So let's just start with the questions. So talking about photography as a profession is very competitive as of now. If you really want to stand out in this, in this whole scenario, you need to be really different and at the same time original. You should have your own concept, you should be new. So I started my journey 7 years ago when it was not this much competitive, but at that time also there were people that was a new era of photography as in the market. So initially I started working for free. I contacted people who were already in the market as of events so that I can get into event photography and others as well. So I initially started working for free for people, then I met some people, then I got my clients through that. So basically it's all about making a circle, making clientage through whatever and wherever you are working. So accordingly I grew, then I got into proper big events, then I started working with artists, singers, then after a year I dropped that, then I got into proper event photography, then I started weddings, corporates and all. Currently I am working as a music video director as well. So that is all about experience and knowing the field and then growing into it. So when I was in school, I did everything from you know from doing sports to academics to co-curricular activities. I did everything from gaming to biking. Then one day I came along with this profession. So I met someone who was doing photography at that place and I was there as a visitor. So I saw him and that was a bike stunt event. So I saw him and I saw the pictures and that was really fascinating to me, the way he was clicking, the pictures he was getting, those angles, those creative shots. And of course it was an adventure event kind of. So that kind of took me away at that moment. So I thought let's just try it as well. So I contacted that particular person and we had a talk about it and we became quite good friends. So I learned throughout whenever I was with him. So that got me kind of an interest into it. So this is how I became a photographer. It is not a fascinating story, but yeah. So talking about the courses related to photography which you can pursue are totally dependent on your choice. You have various options available. You have DCOP college to get into photography and there are many photography institutes and especially even colleges have photography based courses now. So you can go through those or you can actually first find your own interest, then you can just find a relatable course which you can pursue. So talking about the struggles and the problems you go through when you initially start as a photographer are money, because no one is ready to pay you until they know your worth, of course. Then if you are starting at an early age, then you need to have that confidence and the trust of your parents so that you can actually work freely outside your home during long hours. So that is a very big thing, because when I started I was 16. Yeah, I was 16, so it was kind of a problem for me because I have to attend my school as well as get into this. So that was the biggest problem at that time when I initially started. So these are few small problems which you have to go through so that you can actually learn, experiences make you learn what you have to learn. So experience are very important. Experience everything. You have to experience the struggle to get the best out of you. So when we talk about how much a photographer can earn is a very wide chapter that totally depends on your scale, on what scale you are working. See, a photographer can earn 10,000 a month, a photographer can earn 10 lakhs or 50 lakhs a month. That depends on the the scale he's working on, the budgets he's working on, and that comes according to the time. The more you are experienced, the more you will get paid. So that is totally based upon how hard you work and how much creative you are and how different people can see you. So talking about the skills a photographer should have, I should firstly say patience. It is the biggest factor a photographer should have in his life, because when you are doing photography as a profession, at that time you really need to have patience to get the best shot, because you can't be like, you have done 5 shots, that is done, I have no more patience, I have to wrap it up. No, you need to have lot of patience so that you have the best shot, by obviously investing your own time and keeping patience at that moment. And then talking abilities, then of course a friendly nature. So there are a lot of things I admire about my profession and my life in this profession, and few of them I'll definitely share with you, which are traveling, of course, first, because I get a lot to travel because of my profession. So it is a very good thing that you travel around and you get to know about other places and other cultures. So that is a very good thing about this profession. Then second thing is meeting new people and getting engaged with new perspective and knowing more about. And thirdly, the best thing I have ever got because of my profession is my team. So I have been working with Team World Storyline since like when I started. So it has been a really good journey till now, and I have 8 brothers of mine which we are called as a team. So that is the best thing I've ever got because of my profession, and which you can also have with you, so that in the bad times also they can support you. So talking about the achievements, there are a lot of achievements that I have come through, like be it professionally, I have got along really big brands, really big artists, and really good human beings for whom I have worked. I know them, so this is a good achievement. Then if we say about personally, then personally also I've grown a lot from being financially dependent to to supporting yourself and your other interests as well. And other thing is the people I have around me, I have got all those because of my profession. The people who have actually succeeded in life, the big artists, the big celebrities, those with whom I have worked with. So that is also a really good thing to have such people around. And I guess my family is proud of me, so that is all. I hope my answers would have been some kind of help to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to come along with a better and a more elaborate video on the same topic. Till then, take care and keep doing photography.